Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today, we want presentation our discussion about atom, molecules, and ions. Before we start our presentation, we will introduce ourselves. I, Naufal Hibatullah, as moderator, and my friend is Husnul Hotimah, Indri Rahmawati, Hasda, Irma Lasari, and Dwi Alvina Damayanti. The first material is the atomic theory. The second is the structure of the atom, and the last is atomic number, mass number, and isotopes. The first material is the atomic theory will be explained by Dwi Alvina Damayanti and Indri Rahmawati.
The atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory 2808. Number 1. Elements are compact or extremely small particle called atoms. Number 2. All atoms of given element are identical, having the same size, mass, and chemical properties. The atoms of one element are different from the atoms of all other elements. Number 3. Compounds are composed of atoms of more than one element. In any compound, the reaction of the number of atoms of any two of the elements present is either in her or a simple fraction. Number 4. A chemical reaction involves only the separation, combination, or reaction of atoms. It does not result in their reaction or destruction. Next, figure 2.1. Number I, according to Dalton atomic theory, atoms of the same element are identical, but atoms of one element are different from atoms of other elements. Number B, compounds formed from atoms for elements X and Y. In this case, the reaction of the atom of element X to the atom of elements Y. Back to moderator.
The Pittsburgh law of multiple. Dalton's theory explains the law of multiple proportion simple. The compounds divide in the number of atoms of each spin, then combine. For example, carbon from two stable compounds with oxygen, namely carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Modern measurement techniques indicate that one atom of carbon combines with one atom of oxygen in carbon monoxide, and then one atom of carbon combines with two oxygen atoms in carbon dioxide. Thus, the ratio of oxygen in carbon monoxide to oxygen in carbon dioxide is 1:2.
And the second material is the structure of atom. Will be explained by Indri Rahmawati, Hasda, and Nirma Lasari.
The structure of atom. Dalton conducted another series of experiments on atoms beginning in 1850 and continuing into the 20th century, revealing that they truly had internal structure. That is, they were composed of every smaller particle called subatomic particle. The study resulted in the discovery of particles such as one electron, two protons, and three neutrons.
According to electromagnetic theory, a moving charged body behaves like a magnet and can interact with electric and magnetic fields throughout with its phases. Because the cathode ray is attracted by the plate bearing positive charge and repelled by the plate bearing negative charge. Its mass consists of negatively charged particles. We know these negatively charged particles as electrons. Next, the proton and nucleus. The first positive atomic payload entry collects in the core. The second, protons have an opposite load of a lot of electrons. And the third, a proton mass of 1,840 times electron mass or 1.67 times 10 to the power of 24 gram. Back to moderator.
The neutron is one type of particle. The form atomic structure which has no charge or is neutral and has a unit mass 1.67 times 10 to the power of 24. Is slightly larger than the mass of the proton. Neutrons are usually denoted by the letter in the figure above. So the location of the elementary particle, proton, neutron, and electron in an atom. There are other subatomic particles, but the electron, the proton, and the nucleus are the three fundamental components of the atom that are important in chemistry. Next.
And the last material is atomic number, mass number, and isotopes. Will be explained by Irma Lasari.
Atomic number, mass number, and isotope. Atomic number, or Z, number of protons in the nucleus of every atom and element. Number mass, or A, number of proton plus nucleus in the nucleus of an atom. Atomic number plus neutron. Isotopes are the atoms that have the same atomic number but different mass number. Next, back to moderator.
Okay, the conclusion will be explained by Husnul Fatimah.
Conclusion: the atom of the same element are the same and the atom of different element will be different. Metal element in the free state, no compounds are composed of the smallest particle, namely atoms. If the joint atom come from the same elemental molecules, if the atoms then come together come from different elements. The molecules formed are called compound molecules. No, all compounds are from the combination of two or more elemental atoms. Many compounds in nature are compounds of charged particles called ions. The positively charged ions cations bind to the negatively charged ions anions through ionic bonds and from ionic compounds. Back to moderator.
Okay, I think that's all about our presentation. If you guys have any question, you can ask us in WhatsApp group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.